Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be comparing NaturalReader with ElevenLabs and which text-to-speech tool is better and best for you in 2025. So let's get right into it. So starting with NaturalReader, it is a plug and play. So basically you upload your text or document and hit play. That's it. This and it offers few voices, but they are clear, smooth, and easy to use for everyday contents like articles, PDFs, or study notes. It is great for accessibility, education, and content consumption. It has a solid free version, which is affordable premium plans and including a one-time license. Now, if we talk about ElevenLabs, on the other hand, ElevenLab is more advanced. You'll need to create or upload your profile, your voice profiles, and tweak some settings, which is powerful but with a learning curve. So, you can clone your own voice, fine-tune tones and emotions, and generate ultra-realistic speech. And if you talk about your SEO growth, it is built for creators, YouTubers, and game developers, and also podcasters. Anyone who needs to voice over that feel human. It is a free tier 2, but premium plans needed for voice cloning and commercial use, which starts at around $5 per month and scale up. So with that, I hope you know what you want. So if you want a simple, clean TTS for studying or reading accessibility, NaturalReader is it, and I think that's pretty much it for you. But if you want more of a ultra realistic studio quality voice generation for creative or professional use, ElevenLab is the best choice for you. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.